So today I'm opening Lunchables. Lunchables with nerds. Yummy, yummy in my tummy. Okay, so let's open. Okay, let's open. Okay, let's open. Okay, let's open it. Okay, we're opening the thing for the great finale. So let's get the Lunchable and the juice. Yum. Okay, let's put the juice there. And I love opening Lunchables. Now let's open. Okay guys, so today, here it is. And I also have some nerds. Who doesn't love nerds? I love nerds. And I also have some cheese. So I also have some bologna. Okay. So let's get a cracker. So I'm going to peel the skin. 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 And peel the skin. So I put on all my skin. So now I have a cracker. And I have some bologna. And I have some cheese. Time to eat. Then I'm gonna put a cracker. Here's my sandwich, guys. Okay, let's taste.
I think your body looks beautiful just the way it is. I heard you got a butt kick, I guess.
That's not.
You signed up for wrestling? Kind of. You never sign up for anything at school. You fly below the radar. That way. Never raise anyone's expectations. Thank you, Roderick, for those words of motivational wisdom, but perhaps a better way to look at it is that it's a chance to learn to excel at something. What can I learn at school that I can't teach myself? Well, Greg, I think it's great that you took the initiative to learn something new. This
I'm gonna eat two more. Yeah, I'm gonna do that too.
My boss is
What do I do?
smaller than you, but he built himself up.
Who doesn't like juice?
Yeah, we could get you the same equipment.
So, another
Cardio.
cheese.
Tip-top shape, just like Phil. And it would only take like 3 months.
Am I from driving one tip?
3.
Diary of a whipping cat.
You know the power of that first place with your favorite scent. It charismatic releases tiny bursts of the fragrances you love.
What you going up? How you going down? It's all but one Disney Channel show. That's the only one. Diary of a Whipping Kid and Diary.
Go to 64, 65, 93.
I'm not gonna those channels. Go down.
We should go watch something.
Go look. Peppa Pig.
Shut up. I thought you meant to be.
Oh yeah, okay. I'm back. My third one. And I want to Peppa Pig now. I like Peppa Pig. Oops. yummy.
I didn't mean to do that. Never mind, Papa. You can have some fun mending it. It is true that I love it.
Down. Juice time. Okay.
Daddy Pig is in the hallway, vacuuming the carpet. And Mummy Pig is in her study, doing important work on her computer.
What? Wow, cherry.
Oh, and my vacuum won't work.
And my computer has switched off.
Mummy Pig tries the light switch, but the lights do not come on.
It must be a power cut. What's a power cut? A power cut is when there's no electricity.
2 more seconds.
Electricity is what makes everything in our house work. Yes.
Electricity. Electricity. Electricity.
I'll be fine. I do very well in this.
He's bumping into everything, y'all. Okay.
I think it's
Okay, guys, so let's take it silent.